Hey everyone, Ray Pankern, Certified Financial Planner with Legacy Wealth Partners. So last week I did a video on reasons why you might want to consider life insurance. And due to the popularity of the video and the feedback I got, I wanted to expand a little bit more on the two different types of insurance that are available when it comes to life insurance. Now, before I begin that, one of the things that I get asked a lot is, when is the best time to get life insurance? And I would say, if you're thinking about life insurance, now is the best time. And here's the thing. Don't let the stage of life you're in, the age you're at, let's say if you're really young, discourage you from getting life insurance. Because you never know. The reality of life is this. Things happen. We hope you live a long life, but you just read the stories of somebody dying prematurely. Even young people. Even young people can experience cancer or a health event that could prevent them from getting life insurance and could cause them to pass away at a young age. And so the cool thing is that life insurance is based on your age and your health. So if you're young, getting a life insurance policy is gonna be pretty inexpensive. I have a friend of mine, she's 21 years old, and we just did a quote for her, and she was applying for $250,000 in life insurance for 30 years, meaning she'd have that coverage for 30 years, and it was like $15 a month. So I share this with you to say that you want to consider, no matter where you're at in life, having some type of life insurance protection, just to make sure that you have that kind of protection. Obviously, as your responsibilities grow, you have a business, you have a family, you have debt, you're going to need more coverage. But early on, when you're starting out, having some life insurance is always going to be beneficial. Now, let's look at the two different types of insurance: term insurance and permanent insurance. So let's look at this report. Also, like I mentioned last week, if you want copies of this, send me an email, reach out to us, and somebody from our team will be more than happy to send this to you. All right. So what type of life insurance is best for you? Well, you want to consider term. Here's the different reasons to consider term. You have a limited budget for policy premiums. The great thing about term life insurance is that for a low cost, you can get a lot of coverage. Now, what's important, it is called term because it's for a period of time. So you can have it for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. At the end of that period of time, that life insurance goes away. But it does allow you for a low cost to get a lot of coverage. You have a family with young children. This 1 and 2 really tie in together. The reason being, when you have a young family, young children, a lot of times you have a lot of money coming out, paying for childcare costs, things like that. So again, your budget, and you need more coverage. As your children are young, there's more needs for them. Care, education costs, all those things. For me personally, I want to make sure if I was to die prematurely that my wife will be able to stay home and be able to take care of our kids, put them in college, just take care of them until they're adults. So that's why young family term insurance is really good. You have short-term insurance needs. There may be something we want coverage just for a period of time. You're saying, I don't need coverage for 30 years. I need something for 5 years or 10 years. Term life insurance allows you to get coverage for a short period of time. And then finally, you want to supplement an existing life insurance policy. This just means you have a certain amount of coverage and you figure, you know what, I want to add a little bit more. Term insurance is an easy way to do that. So that's term insurance. Permanent insurance has some different features. I will say that the premium cost is a little bit higher, but you do get some benefits that term life insurance doesn't offer you. One of those is you get the coverage for the rest of your life. As long as you pay your premium, you will have a life insurance benefit going to your beneficiaries. It could be your family, it could be a charitable organization, but it'll be for the rest of your life. You always have coverage. You want to have life insurance protection along with the ability to accumulate cash value. The cool thing about permanent life insurance is you put in money to the account. Part of that pays for life insurance, but the other part of that goes into an account that can earn something. It can be a fixed interest rate. It can be based on the stock market. There's a variety of different options. It does provide an efficient way to accumulate cash value. You need to access the cash value for some reason down the road. It could be for loans, withdrawals, to meet estate planning needs, to use it to supplement retirement. We have clients who have used life insurance as a way to build up an asset to create a tax-free income in retirement. So it is a asset class, because a lot of times when it comes to life insurance, people think it's an expense. It's, I'm going to pay this premium, and all it's going to do is leave a death benefit to my heirs. I personally get no benefit. The people I care about do. Permanent life insurance allows you to put money into an account that does leave a tax-free death benefit to your heirs, but also you can use it to create wealth, and it has some tax advantages that term life insurance and other investment accounts don't have. And then the last reason you might want to consider permanent life insurance is you just have some advanced planning needs for business continuation or key person protection. You know, if you have a large business and something happens to you as a business owner, there may be some capital needs that are required if you pass away. Or if you have somebody that is a key person, somebody that's an important person in your company, if you had to replace them, it's going to cost you money to replace them. To bring in somebody that is a key person to the company, there is an investment you have to make to do that. Life insurance is a great way not only to take care of yourself, but take care of your business needs. So, as you're thinking about this and you're just wondering, what's the right life insurance for me? Recommend just give us a call. You can talk to somebody in our team and walk you through the options you have, the benefits to each one, and then you can decide. The cool thing is, a quote through us is not going to cost you anything, but when would be the best time to get coverage? It's today. If you know that you're healthy, if you know that you need it, get the coverage now. Here's why. Nothing is promised. You cannot guarantee that tomorrow, 5 years, 10 years down the road, you're going to be healthy. So if you're in good health and you think you're going to need life insurance, maybe not today, but in the future, at least consider getting some form of coverage. So I appreciate you guys watching. My name is Ray Pankern. I'm a certified financial planner with Legacy Wealth Partners. Thanks for watching.